Paul and Rita.
All right, yeah.
Okay, so Paul and Rita will provide sound effects. So Paul, you'll provide sound effects for Carolyn, and Rita, you'll provide sound effects for Rich. Okay, so anytime they need sound effects, you just pop right on out there. Something like, go ahead and give me an example, Carolyn.
Rich, I hear the phone ringing.
Wait a minute. Which was that?
Yeah.
You can do it together.
Okay. And if you don't think they're using you enough, they're not making, putting enough sound into the scene, then you can go ahead and add some on your own. Right? They love it when you do that. Okay, where are these two?
The Santa Claus line at the mall.
Spanish class.
In heaven. In Spanish class. They're in Spanish class, and what is their relationship?
They're partners. Partners.
Neighbors.
Zookeepers.
Zookeepers.
Oh.
They're zookeepers
In the
in
Spanish
Spanish
class.
Go.
Zookeeper Bill, I'm really nervous that we have to pass Spanish in order to get certified to be lion caretaker.
It's good. It's going to help us.
I brought Leo with us.
I brought Shirley with me.
Sure.
She doesn't want to move.
We'll just leave her in the back there. It's just giving us more motivation to learn Spanish.
Lots of motivation here. Leo looks kind of hungry. I think let me grab some extra burritos.
I've got a bag. Hold on.
Remember the burritos? They love Mexican food. Did someone bring a monkey to the French class next door? I can hear it through the wall.
Man, this is going to be fun.
Okay, I think Leo's asleep now. He's kind of snoring. He loves those burritos. Here, let's move this one.
Let's be real quiet so we don't wake them up.
Yeah.
Or any of the other animals that we brought. Okay.
So I'm starting to think the burritos were a mistake.
We're going to get kicked out of class for this. I just know it.
Okay. Oh, they teach us to be over at us. Okay. All right, she wants us to turn in our textbooks. Let's open them up. All right. There's a cat in my book. I can't even tell what's happening. It's so
That was the after dinner snack for Leo.
sorry, kitty. I think Leo's back to sleep.
Okay. I think it's all calm now. So let's get back to our lesson.
Okay. So we're learning about birthdays in Spanish. Great. Okay.
Right.
Oh, we should put on our headphones so we can listen to the tapes.
Good idea. Good idea.
¿Cómo estás, mi hija?
¿Qué pasó?
Okay, get started.
Oh, enchilada.
Oh, I love enchiladas. Oh,
That's an easy one.
that's a good
Wow.
Quesadilla.
They're giving us all the food items that we feed to the animals.
one. It's definitely making me hungry, and
Tengo
I
hambre.
think we could get to the.
All right.
We need to move into another room.
Quiero dos ejes, por favor.
I think she's asking us to move the animals.
Into the back, into
and it's been yours. No hablo eso. No hablo inglés. No hablo. No hablo. Harley, do you want to say?
There, creaked open. Okay, good. You guys are really woken up. Just push it. Oh, I don't really understand. Oh, wait, look, the monkeys came out. Let's get our monkey nets.
Monkey nets.
Not those monkeys.
Hell, monkeys.
Hey, the monkey is Louis, happy.
Only a little guy. There's a big guy up there. Get him, Rich.
Point whale.
Alright, I think I just made him mad.
He's under the saw. The audio is
Monkey's gonna throw his cock at you.
You know,
I think the monkey's speaking Spanish.
Tiene caca?
I think we need to call it quits for today and come back tomorrow.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's go get some
Muy
quesadillas.
bueno.